Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 15th of May, 2018. Taking a look at homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework due to the paddleball lesson that we are continuing in class. We will finish that tomorrow morning. In science, there is no homework. Social studies, there's no homework. Other than that, our service projects are due tomorrow. All right. As of this morning, a third of the 6th grade did not have that in. We need to make sure we're taking care of that. Language arts. So we got a Malabar Farm poem. Vocabulary. It is a Google form. Make sure that spelling is correct and you capitalize words that need to be capitalized. It is a Google form and worth 15 points. In Lit, you need to read AR because all of our AR points are due on Friday. Remember, on Friday, you are only going to be able to take one test. So it's very important that if you need multiple tests between now and then, you take them on Wednesday and Thursday of this week. That's it for today. Enjoy your Tuesday.